Hello everybody, hello my beauty team, this is Katerina and today I'm gonna show you this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Dior. Yes, it's not easy to work with these colors because colors intense, colors it's deep, but let me come close to you and show you. I think I did a good job. Give me a heads up or thumbs up, sorry, and let's start. Let me show you how I step by step use this palette. Also, I using today on my lips. I have right now Chanel lip color, and I really like it. It looks so pretty on me. Okay, stay with me. Again, subscribe, comments below. But you know what? Let me talk a little bit about this palette. We have with you matte color, really like a brown deep. Then we have like more orangey color, it's another matte color in this palette. Then we have with you very like red color, and believe me not, I use all these colors today on me. Then let's see, let me show you this color. This one, it's like have a shimmer one, it's like it's have a goldish brown, and another I'll put on my pinky one. This will be your lighter color. Let me just show you my hand. Okay, you can see now all colors. Okay, I truly like when I start working with this palette, I'm like, I don't know. But now when I put everything together, I look so pretty. Again, hello everybody, let's do it. Let's do it together. Let's apply this eyeshadow. It is gonna work a little bit, but on the end of this video, you will look fabulous, just like me. Okay, let's do it. Wow, it's a hot summer we have in Florida now. I need something to hydrate my skin. And first item I'm gonna use for my skin, Lotion Essence. It's an essence by Christian Dior. Will plump my skin, will give me nice hydration. Then I decide to use this serum. It's a sample. It's good. I working for Nordstrom and I can get samples. Yes, they allowed me to have. Hallelujah, because everything it's cost a lot of money and I'm not yet big YouTuber. If you like my media, if you supporting your favorite beauty stylist, it's me, Katerina, your favorite Nordstrom beauty stylist. Please give me thumbs up, please. We're gonna use serum. Again, it's a sample from Kiehl's and it's a power strength line reducing concentrate. Here it's 12.5 vitamin C, plus you have hyaluronic acid here. Why I decided to try this serum? Because it's vitamin C, you can see it's a little bit yellow color. When you buy this product, don't worry about this is how product's supposed to look, like this yellow color. But I give it to a few of my clients these samples and they really like it. They reach me back and say, Katerina, I love this serum, please give it to me. You know, I am sensitive. I'm not just sensitive, very sensitive. And I'm gonna use my Prestige moisturizer. Love this packaging, it's so heavy, it looks so luxury. And this one moisturizer, this size, I believe it's $120, but it is coming with large size too, and it's brand new. Let's try. Okay, this is also good hydration moisturizer, but it's also anti-inflammatory moisturizer for lines, for wrinkles, and I love how it smells. It feels really rich. This good hydration. Oh, I love, oh my god, enjoying this moisturizer. And now we're gonna use this amazing serum from Dior. I don't know when I'm gonna stop loving this brand. I love and love and love this brand. Okay, this is its amazing serum. What it does, it's for wrinkles, for puffiness, dark circles. Look at this beautiful like tool right here. It has this cooling effect, but it's also this product, this is serum 97% natural. I love Dior because they bring in more and more clean formula products, not just for makeup, skincare too. And you should use this eye serum morning and night. I highly recommend you just using and enjoying this eye serum. I think this is so far 2022 my favorite eye serum. I just love how it feels. And for eye cream, I'm gonna use my Genifique eye cream, and it's also for dark circles. And why I using this right now eye cream, because I like texture and I like to put even on my eyelid. If your eyelid and dry and you put right away eyeshadow or right away eyeshadow primer, it can look even more drier. Put little bit your eye cream. Usually a brand will say it's ophthalmologist tested or not. I know this eye cream it's tested and I can use there. Skincare it's done, and let's do makeup. My first step today, we're gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, and it's like a white. It's really white primer, and I like because we're gonna apply here close to my eyebrows, and it will give me this beautiful lid. And we're applying on entire my eyelid, but whereas eyebrows area we applying even more. This primer it's matte, and again you can see a little bit more applied next to my brow, and I am little bit less put on my eyelid. Now let's start to use this lighter color, and we're gonna apply on my middle eye area right here, and I pushing inside of my suckle area right here. Now I'm gonna use this darker color, and it's completely matte, like a matte brown, and I'm gonna apply on my eyelid. It's gonna be like a smoky brown. This looks good actually. You know what we're gonna do? I name this look, it's like old version of Kim Kardashian when she used to do darker color here and just blend and then lighter. And it's very easy. It's easiest application. Darker, blend and light, like 3 steps. Now I'm gonna use a brown eyeliner from MAC, and I'm gonna just apply underneath. Well, it's gonna make my eyes much more bigger. An eyeliner name from MAC, it keeps the weightless. It's not a brown dark, it's very soft and it's a little bit shimmer. I love this gel eyeliners from MAC. Now we're gonna use this beautiful like orangey color, and we gonna push to my suckle area right here on the corner, my crease. Now I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna use this color. It's like little bit have shimmer, and I'm just gonna apply on top of this dark color. It's a little bit look softer and give me this like little bit glow on my lid. Okay, now this red color we apply like not on center, like in my suckle area right here for extra lift. Now I'm gonna use black waterproof eyeliner, and it's Estee Lauder, and I apply it close to my lashes. And don't forget to put black eyeliner between your lashes to make your lashes look much more bigger. And now we're gonna use this small tiny brush, and we're just gonna put on top of my black eyeliner. It will look smoky, very sexy. Same, we're gonna put little bit underneath. My eyes looks really smoky. Some eyeshadow fall down. It's not easy palette to work, but in the end of this video you will see my eyes will look pretty. And now I'm gonna use my favorite MAC highlighter. One more time, big blending brush, and let's just blend color together. One more eyeshadow I'm gonna use, and it's my favorite shimmer eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown. I do like this Moonstone eyeshadow. It's make my eyes so beautiful and special. Okay, red eyeshadow sometimes can make your eye a little bit tired. I'm gonna use Chanel Navy mascara, and for my primer I'm gonna use Dior. Okay, my eyes look smoky, but they do look good. Now we need just finish this whole entire look. I'm gonna use, I have a primer sample from Estee Lauder. It's watery glow primer. This will be my foundation primer. Then today I'm gonna use foundation. It's a treatment foundation. It's not your basic. Very fancy, very fancy by La Prairie. We have 15 SPF here. You have here foundation, you have also treatment here, but you also have concealer here, and I like we have here mirror too. And this is, it's a great foundation for traveling, because again it's like you have two products together, or we'll say three, because you have mirror here. Medium to full coverage. I don't know why, sometimes I love this foundation, sometimes I don't, but you know what, I have 20 different foundation and my skin feels every day it's different. Plus I live in Florida, sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's too hot, or sometimes it's so much humidity outside, or again I'm using different skincare, trying for you girls. If you like this video, I'm not sure if you like my look yet but I promise it'll look good. Please give me thumbs up. I'm working very hard. Primer, foundation, then I'm gonna use from Charlotte Tilbury's this beautiful bronze. Absolutely love this cream bronze. Then we're gonna set my makeup with loose powder from Christian Dior. For blush we're gonna use today Rose Rescue color from Lancome. It's like a pinky color and it's matte. But before we apply this product, we are gonna use again my favorite highlighter here, and of course we're gonna use this rosy color. You can use this for eyes, you can use this for face, you can use this for body. It's coming 3 different colors. I own 3 of them. Okay, let's do it. Let's finish this. I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy brush, and it's brush number 55. I love all Trish McAvoy brushes. I think she has the best brushes. Okay, do not scare it, it's okay, I put a little bit more, but we're gonna blend. And then everything will look good. I look good. Let's put little bit loose powder to set my makeup. Now let's put little bit highlighter, and again it's have like this beautiful pinky glow, and blush. Getting dark outside. It's time for me to go to restaurant. For lips, we're gonna use today beautiful Chanel lipstick, 428 legendary Rouge Coco. It's just beautiful, gorgeous color. And you know what, on top I will use lip gloss. I use in a lot this color. I just love this color, 092 from Dior. For lip liner we're gonna use color Cherry from Lancome. I finished my look. My lips look so juicy and pretty. I love this lip color. Beautiful. You can see my highlighter, my eyes, very smoky, very pretty. But you know, where I work in Nordstrom. This can be for me daytime or nighttime look, but I think it's a very pretty evening look. My eyes look so pretty, smoky, and they're like blue. I feel good. I truly feel good. Again, please give me thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel. Let me know what brand you want me to bring, what products you want me to review or show to you. Okay, love you all, love you more than ice cream.